My name is Giuseppe, I'm 29. I come from a village in the south of Italy and I'm studying the course BEng in aircraft engineering. I chose to attend Cardiff and Vale College because they have great facilities for practical tasks, and the tutors are always available for any query that we have, and they're very willing to help us at any time. The highlight of studying at Cardiff and Vale College was last year when I was assigned as project manager for my class. Basically, I was to supervise the two groups that were assigned the project on a glider, and it was fascinating because I could see how the two groups were developing the two projects in different ways. It was very interesting. So my plan after leaving Cardiff and Vale College is to find a graduate scheme which will help develop my aerodynamic knowledge, and which that could lead me to aerospace, or could be also F1, so I hope to end up being an aerodynamic engineer.